This is a German-made oil filter, Mann or Mann filter. I'm using in a 3.2 liter Pajero engine, and I made another video about the way I do this type of work with less mess, and I'm going to show you what I do right now. So I position the drill bit. And for me it's a bit awkward to hold the camera. And actually this one has more material. But as you can see, it doesn't take much to start dripping. So I drill just a bit, and I followed the droplet, because from this angle I am not quite sure if the oil pan is positioned properly. And I'm waiting for that droplet to make sure it's kind of falling in center of my oil pan. I don't want to make mess on the pavement. Okay, so for those who are impatient, like most people I know, okay, yeah, this is the little drip. It's coming, it's coming, and I want to see where it comes, where it reaches the oil pan. Okay, yeah, there is a go. I missed it. Yes, I think I have to move the oil pan a little bit. Okay, now I'm good. Let's see. Okay, so I did not make any single droplet of oil on the concrete. I put a bunch of paper under my oil pan, and I do have the patience to empty that oil filter. Then I can take it out nicely. Of course I can wipe it off and remove it, put a new one, and make a job cleaner. Still dripping, but it's nice. Everything is clean here. That droplet is where I put the oil pan cap. Currently I have this filter installed in a car, the one I just drilled. I mean, it's a different one, but it's exactly the same model, and I don't really like it. So after about 4,000 kilometers I drove on this truck, the oil was kind of very dark brown. I didn't like the color, so now I'm going to use this one. I never used this brand. I've used something almost the same size. This is kind of fat, which I like. And if I look at the diameter comparison, so I have, so that's the difference between the two. This has, I assume it has more material, or let me see the weight. Yeah, this is, I can't believe this is like probably 30% heavier. I don't know if it's heavier casing or just put more filtering material inside, but I'm done with this one. So